Hey guys, Mubarak here of Invest HQ. Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to cover a very important topic. This has been pretty big in the news, and as you can probably see, today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and taxes. All right, tax season is here. I hope you guys are trying to issue your refunds, trying to get your taxes filed. If you're a bit more of an advanced investor, have real estate, have companies that you run, you might want to put yourself on extension, but still, it's important for you to pay your cryptocurrency taxes. And, as a CPA, this isn't legal advice, this isn't financial advice, this is just education. This is just showing you concepts and facts that you should be aware of. Because if you're gonna, mess around and dabble in the cryptocurrency world, which I'm sure everyone watching this is, you'll want to know kind of what you have to take care of. So I'm going to just give you guys a quick overview on what to look out for. Especially, this applies mainly if you're in the U.S. Um, Still, talk to your accountant, talk to your lawyer, but let me tell you what you need to just keep an eye out for. All right. So for cryptocurrency, yes, you still have to pay taxes. All right, regardless of what anybody says. Cryptocurrency by the U.S. is treated as property. So that's something a little interesting. Again, it's treated as property. Now, what that means is it's not, even though we call it currencies and cryptocurrencies, we're not exactly going to be treating it as such in a tax perspective. So, when we say property, you have to almost think about it like how you're trading a stock. Okay? So, for example, if you hold on to a cryptocurrency or like a stock for more than a year, then you get the capital gains advantage and you only pay capital gains or capital loss taxes. But if you hold it for less than a year, which I'm sure most of you are doing, then you're going to just want to treat it as ordinary income. So again, the money you make from Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, altcoins is taxable. So don't forget that. Now, there is one thing though, that the exchanges that you're doing all these transactions through aren't issuing 1099s. Coinbase, which is a popular one, recently did they do authorize and issue 1099Ks for those investors here, right here. For those who are business users and GDAX users who've received at least 20,000 cash for sales or at least 200 transactions. So you'll be getting an actual form that needs to match up with the IRS exactly, or you'll be red flagged. However, even if you are trading on different exchanges, even if you didn't do $20,000 and 200 transactions, you still need to pay taxes on your gains. So I'll go over a couple of different transactions that you might have partaken in. For example, exchanging when you traded for one token for another, that's a taxable event. Receiving payments in crypto or spending crypto. When you have it sitting there and say you just invested in Bitcoin and you're just doing HODL, holding on for dear life, in that scenario, you don't have to pay any crypto taxes. When you have to pay taxes is when you sell it and recognize the gain. That's when you would have to pay taxes. So if you're just holding on to it and you didn't do any transactions in 2017 besides buy, then you're good. Then you don't have to worry about taxes. But if you've been exchanging, through different currency exchanges and you've been buying one altcoin and selling another, then you need to pay your taxes on it. And for you miners out there, not under 18, but Bitcoin miners mining coins here, as you can see on the screen, you'll need to also pay ordinary income. So when you make money or when you mine successfully in altcoin, you have to pay taxes on that. That is pretty much a type of income that you're generating, and that'll need to be reported on your taxes. So please just keep that in mind as you guys are filing your taxes. I mean, sure, the IRS might not be heavily going against everybody, but this is obviously their main topic. Like, this is the things that's changed in the last year, and they know they're leaving a lot of money on the table. And then also the IRS can go backwards, and even if you file your tax return now, you don't know if they come for you 5 years from now. So play it safe, pay your taxes, talk to your accountant. Just know that this is a taxable event. All right, when you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, the IRS is still involved, and you still have to pay your fair due. It's not like you can get around it. Sorry about that. So yeah, that is kind of the high level overview of cryptocurrency trading or investing and the taxes you have to pay. There are some websites that can kind of help you out. As you can see here, Bitcoin.tax, cointracking.info. We may be looking in here at Invest HQ at a service that can help you out with that. So if you're interested in that, actually, leave a comment below. And in general, if you're watching this and you enjoy it, let me know kind of what you think about the video, what you think about the topic. But also, if you're interested in having us handle your taxes for you, if that's something you'd be interested in, I don't know if we can handle it for this year, but definitely we can kind of try to see if that's something that we can help you guys out with. Maybe provide a service for people who are actively trading crypto and don't want to deal with the nuances of, having to handle the trading of it. I mean, the paying the taxes on it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you.